This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade from yesterday on Litecoin. Litecoin, I saw setting up here on the weekly chart, or basically on all time frames. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing. This is the weekly, this is the 4 hour, this is the 15-minute chart. What I was seeing here on Litecoin, first thing is positioning. So this is Camarilla Pivot R3. This is Camarilla Pivot R4. This is Camarilla Pivot S3 here. So I'm seeing price action near a Camarilla Pivot point of interest. So this idea was a R3 to S3 short. Also, what I'm seeing here, this blue line that you see here on the weekly and all the charts, this is the 200 exponential moving average. All the price action was trading below this EMA here. So these two things got my attention, and then we'll zoom in into some price action to see what was happening here. So I used the Fibonacci retracement level, or Fibonacci retracement tool right here. I use this to gauge discount and premium to see where I'm at. So this was the highest point structurally here on the 4 hour. This was the lowest point here before taking a position yesterday morning, early yesterday morning, late day before yesterday here. We can see price action buys up, and then this is the R3 level here. This is the R3 level. So price action here. And this is R4. So price action comes up and tests this R4 level and fails. I take an entry here at the R4 level, and we can see the price action sells off down here to this S3 level here. And this was, I put my stop up here, and this was me, my first attempt at really trying to incorporate some smart money concepts into my trading, or you can say ICT concepts. So here, I put my stop back above here and took this entry for almost a 6-to-1 down here to this S3 level. And I'll walk you through a little more detail. Here, I set this Fibonacci up because this is where there's a market structure shift or change of character or trend change, depending on how you classify it. So we can see here this being the last strong low before this high was put in here. This high comes in and sells off here. This is the R3 level. This is the R3 level here. Price sells off and breaks this strong low here. So this is a market structure shift. So now this becomes the strong high, and now I would call this a weak low. And then it puts this one in. Price action retraces here, and then puts in another weak low. I would call this the strong high here. So then puts in this weak low, then this strong high gets taken out here with another market structure shift here, and then this winds up turning into a liquidity grab, taking out the stop here and collecting this buyer liquidity that's up here. And then this is where I happen to take my entry right up here above this liquidity grab, about right here. Actually 85.77 was my entry point. And then just basically for the remainder of the, this was about just before lunch, New York time. Then just some consolidation here for a while, broken down below this level here, this R3 level. Before this R3 level here, get some pullback after a break of the 200 EMA here and R3, some pullback, and then we get a nice sell-off, a bit of consolidation here, perhaps some more distribution, people taking profits, and then a final sell-off here to target down here at S3, then puts in pretty big wick here after I'm out. But this was my trade on LITECOIN yesterday, and this is on Tilt Trading. Actually, we'll go and check out my tickets. I only risked $5 on this trade, which with my stop loss only wound up being, I think, about $3.90. And then we can see here, was able to hit target 11 minutes after midnight here, 4.6, which wound up being a $5 or less than $5 position, like a $3.90 position. So $3.90 into $23. So almost a 6-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So this trade worked out pretty well, and if all goes well, I'll keep using these concepts and begin to increase size here. But this is on Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.